So welcome back students. Now we will find how to find the sum if compound interest is given. Like question number 12. On what sum will the compound interest for 2 years? Time is given. 5% per annum rate of interest is given. Is rupees 246. Means compound interest is rupees 246. And we have to find that sum. That sum means we have to find the principal only. So how to find the principal when compound interest is given rupees 246, time is given 2 years, and rate of interest is 5%. So first of all, write all the information in your notebook. Compound interest equals to rupees 246. Rate of interest. So what is the rate of interest? Rate of interest is rate of interest is 5%. Okay. Rate of interest is 5%. Number of years, 2 years. Number of years, 2 years. And on what sum means we have to find the principal. Okay. So we continue after writing all the information. Principal is unknown. Write the formula for compound interest. Formula for compound interest, we know that is compound interest equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n minus 1. And it implies 246 is the compound interest is when rupees 246. We have to find the principal into 1 plus rate of interest is 5 by 100. Number of years is 2 minus 1 equals to P into 1 plus 1 by 20 is 21 by 20 whole square minus 1 equals to P into 21 by 20 whole square minus 1 square. So we can use a square minus b square, which is a plus b. A plus b into a minus b. So it implies 246 equals to P into 21 plus 20, 41 by 20 into 21 minus 20, 1 by 20. It implies 246 into 20 goes to the numerator into again other 20 also goes to the numerator. 41 is in denominator equals to P. And if we divide with 41, 41 6 are 246, 4 6 are 24, 1 6 are 6 into 20 into 20. So everything goes to effort. All questions are very easy. 6 2 are 12, 2 are 24. So the principal is rupees 2,400, which is the answer. Hope you all must have understood it. So practice it and practice it again and again. And if you are not getting, then watch the video again and again. So you can solve all the questions of compound interest easily.